Okay, good day. For those who are badly need basic mathematics, which is college algebra, so para sa inyo ito, no? Okay, so our first topic, ang kikita natin class sa title din naman, no? That is study guide and intervention. So from the words intervention, ano ibig sabihin nun? So this is for those who are low performance in basic mathematics. Okay? So our first topic is variables and expression. So sabi dito class, no? Sinabi dito na an algebraic expression consists of one or more numbers and variables along with one or more arithmetic operation. So ilan ba yung arithmetic operation natin? There are four, no? There are four arithmetic operation. Unahin natin muna ito, no? Arithmetic operation. There are four. Ano naman yon? One is addition, di ba? Arithmetic operation, that one of that is addition. Okay. So the answer of addition is sum. Di ba? For example ng class 1 plus 4 equals 5. We call this 5 as the sum. Alright? So, ang operation involved dito class, ang operation involved dito sa 1 plus 4, we call this one as addition. Diba? 1 plus 4 is 5. Then, ang 5 is the answer of the addition, we call this one as the sum. So, ano? Isa sa arithmetic operation is addition. The other one is subtraction. Second is subtraction. Alright? So, ano ba yung answer ng subtraction class? The answer of subtraction is difference. Diba? Difference. Okay. Yan, difference. For example, we have, let's say 5 minus 3 is equals to, of course, 2. So, the operation involves dito is subtraction. Can you follow? Ang operation dito involved is subtraction, then the answer of subtraction, we call this one as the difference. So, ang difference niya ay 2. Diba? And third one is multiplication. Okay? Multiplication. Ano ba ang answer class ng multiplication? Starts with letter P. The answer for multiplication, ang tawag doon ay product. Product. Tandaan natin, no? Product. For example, 2 times 4 is equals to 8. So again, 2 times 4, ang operation involved dito class sa 2 times 4, we call this one as multiplication. No? 2 times 4 equals 8. Then ang tawag natin sa 8 ay yun na yung product. The answer of multiplication is product. So 2 times 4, 8. So ang tawag natin class sa 8 ay product. And then the last one is what? Ang last one natin ay division. Okay, division. Okay, sorry. So division, no? Division. The answer for division is, of course, quotient. Yeah. Okay, sa quotient. For example, 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Then, ang tawag natin class sa operation dito, kasi nga 10 divided by 2, we call this one as division. And the answer of 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. We call 5 as the quotient. Now, the answer of division is quotient. So again, there are four arithmetic operation. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So again, no, there are 4 arithmetic operation. Addition. Saan ba yun? The answer of addition is the sum. Then the other one is subtraction. The answer is difference. Then multiplication, ang tawag sa kanyang answer ay product. And then division, ang tawag sa kanyang answer ay quotient. Right? So, ulitin natin ang sa topic. So, algebraic expression. Ano kaya ang ibig sabihin ng expression? For example, no, meron tayo dito letter A example. Ang letter A example natin is 6n square. We call this one class, we call this one as expression. Kiniga, expression ang tawag sa 6n square. Yan. Expression yan. And you follow? And then, ang n naman, ang tawag natin sa n dito sa 6n square is variable. Yung letter n, we call this one as variable, di ba? And then, ang tawag natin sa 6n square, ang tawag natin sa 6 class ay coefficient. Yung number na sa tabi ng variable, ang tawag doon ay coefficient. So, dapat alam natin ang mga terms, no? Coefficient. And then, ang tawag natin sa 2, dito, no? That is exponent. Alright? Exponent. Again, no? We call 6n square as expression. Ang tawag sa 6n square ay expression. Then, ang tawag natin sa n, letter n dito, variable. And then, ang 6, yung number na sa tabi ng variable, we call it as coefficient. And then, ang 2, we call this one as exponent or power. Power of 2. Alright? Okay. So, basically, yun ang ibig sabihin ng expression. Ano pa? Another one. Yung sa letter B, no? Letter B natin is n square, n cube minus 12m. Okay? N cube minus 12m. Alright? So, ang tawag din natin class, no? Sa 12m, no? Ang tawag natin sa n cube minus 12m is still expression or algebraic expression. Yan. Expression yan, di ba? Expression. Right? And then, n cube minus 12m is an expression or algebraic expression. Ang n class, how many terms dito? There are 2 terms, no? There are 2 terms. We call this one as terms din yan. This is terms, no? Separated by terms that is separated by plus and minus sign. So, dito may minus yan, no? May subtraction. So, there are 2 terms. Ano naman yun? N cube and 12m ang terms na yun. So, ano ang variable class? Ano ang variable sa n cube? Okay? Ano ang variable sa n cube? Variable is n, and then we call this one as variable, no? Variable. And then ang 3 is exponent. Exponent. Ano ang kanyang coefficient? Of course, understood may 1 yan dito, no? May tabi niyan, n is 1. We call this one as coefficient of 1. Yan, no? Okay. Coefficient. And then 12m. Ito sa 12m. 12m. Sa terms na 12m. Again, m is the variable. Ang 12m is expression. Pero ang m ay variable. Then ang 12 ay coefficient. Yan. Ano ang kanyang exponent? Understood, may 1 yan, no? Yan. That is exponent. Okay. So, clear ba? So, we already know, no, basic operation or arithmetic operation There are 4. Addition, ano pa? Subtraction, multiplication, and division. So the answer of addition is sum. The answer of subtraction is difference. The answer of multiplication is the product. The answer of division is quotient. Okay? So variable, coefficient, and exponent expression also. Alright, so if you try to look at example, sabi dito, no? I-isolate kita class. Okay, so ano ba yung example natin? Sabi dito, write a verbal expression for each algebraic expression. So, ang tanong dito is we have to write a verbal expression, no, for each algebraic expression. So, ang 6n square class for letter A is algebraic expression. So, we will convert, no? Ang required dito is we have to write verbal expression for each given algebraic expression. So for letter A, no, 6n square, that is, we call this one as algebraic expression or expression. Algebraic expression, no? Algebraic expression. Alright? And then, ano bang gusto niya? We have to convert, we have write a verbal expression for each algebraic expression. Meaning, we have to convert algebraic expression to verbal expression. So, given class, ang algebraic expression is 6n square. And then, ano ang kanyang equivalent verbal expression? So, 6n square. Actually, class, ang 6n square, ang ibig sabihin ng 6n square is actually, di ba? So, 6 actually 6 times n square. There is operation, there is mathematical operation dito. So, 6n square, the operation between 6 and n is times. So, 6 times n square. So, pag i-convert natin, class, ang algebraic expression ng 6n square or 6 times n square, di ba? Times ito, class. So, meaning that, ano ba yung times, class? The answer of multiplication, product, di ba? So, the product of, okay, sorry. Di ba? The answer of for multiplication is product. So, meaning the product of what? The product of 6 and n squared. Alright? And n squared. Andun naman sa answer, no? So, the product of 6 and n squared. Kasi, ang 6n square, merong operation dito, class. Sorry. Merong operation dito between 6 and n, which is, di natin nakikita, no? Ang operation dito, class, is multiplication. So, meaning that is 6 times n square. So, since times yan, since times ito, meaning, what is the answer for multiplication? The answer for multiplication is the product. So, meaning, that is the product of 6 and n square. So, ito siya, the product of 6 and n square. Right? How about letter B? Letter B natin, n cube. Letter B, no? N cube minus 12m. Right? So, how will you convert this algebraic expression to verbal expression? So, ano yung operation between n cube and 12m? Diba? So, the operation between n cube and 12m is, of course, minus, no? That is subtraction. So, what is the answer for subtraction? The answer for subtraction is difference. So, meaning, that is the difference, pwede ba itaas ba ito? The difference of, diba? Kasi nga minus siya, no? Subtraction ito. So, meaning the difference of n cube and what? 12m yata. Let's see. Oh, 12m or 12 times m. Pwede na yun, no? The difference of n cube and 12 times m. Kasi, di ba? So, again, explain natin, no? N cube minus 12m, that is ang n cube minus 12m, that is algebraic expression. So, ang required is, class, we have to convert algebraic expression to verbal expression. So, since anong operation between the term? That is subtraction. So, again, pag i-convert natin into verbal expression, dapat alam mo kung ano ang answer ng subtraction. So, ano ba? Diba? The answer of subtraction is difference. So, meaning, the difference of n cube, ito na siya, n 12m or 12 times m. Right? So, clear, no? We proceed to next example. Ayan. Okay, so let's say number 1, no? Ano ba yung exercises natin? Write a verbal expression for each algebraic expression. So, for number 1 natin is w minus 1, supposedly, no? So, ano ba ito, class? This is actually, ang tawag sa w minus 1 na given is algebraic expression. So, ano bang gagawin natin dito, class? We have to convert this one to verbal expression, right? So, w minus 1, ano ang operation involved sa w minus 1? That is subtraction. So, ano kaya, class, ang answer ng subtraction? So, the answer for subtraction is difference. So, meaning, pag i-convert natin ang algebraic expression nito to verbal expression, so since this one is subtraction, then the answer for subtraction is what? Is difference. So, meaning, no? The difference of, hindi follow? Dali lang, no? The difference of what? The difference of w and 1. Yun. Okay. So, number 2. 1/3 a cube. Okay, number 2, no? 1/3 a cube. Again, 1/3 a cube, that is algebraic expression. So, we have to, no, 1/3 a cube, that is algebraic expression. We have to convert this one to verbal expression. Paano natin gawin? 1/3. Ano ba yung operation between 1/3 at saka a cube? Diba? That is actually 1/3 times a cube. Merong times dito, no? May times yan between 1/3 and a cube. So, that is 1/3 times a cube. So, since ano ang operation involved sa 1/3 a cube? So, ito siya. Makikita natin dito, no? Ang operation between 1/3 and a cube is multiplication. So, again, kung multiplication, ano ba ang answer ng multiplication? Diba? Product. So, you can say that the product of what? Of course, 1/3, no? Paano ba? 1/3, no? 1/3 and a cube. Okay. That is the product of 1/3 and a cube. Right? So, number 3. Ano ba sa number 3? Number 3 is 81 plus 2x. Ito tayo, no? Number 3, 81 plus 2x. So, how many terms dito, class? There are 2 terms. Diba? Kasi ang terms is separated by plus and minus. So, there are 2 terms. What are they? 8 and 2x. So, there are 2 terms dito. Pero 8 plus x is algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression ang 8 plus 2x. Algebraic expression. So, ano ang variable dito, class? Sa 2, the variable is letter x. Alright? Then, the coefficient is 2. So, dito, 8 plus 2x, that is algebraic expression. You have to convert this algebraic expression to verbal expression. So, ano ang involved operation sa between 8 and 2x? Diba? That is addition. Plus, no? So, addition. So, ano ang answer, class, ng addition? The answer of addition is sum. So, you have to write the sum of, follow? The sum of what? Of course, the sum of 8 and what? And 2. Pwede number 2 na diretso, no? The sum of 8 and 2 times x. Alright? So, the sum of 8 and 2 times x. Kasi ang operation involved dito, class, ay addition. So, the answer for addition is sum. Kaya nga, no, the sum of what? The sum of 8 and 2x or 2 times x. The sum of 8 and 2 times x. Okay, right? Number 4. Number 4 is 12D. Dito tayo, no? 12D. Number 4 is 12D. 4 is 12D. That is expression. Diba? Ano ang variable dito, class, sa 12D? Ang variable, of course, is letter D. Ano yung coefficient? 12, no? 12 ang coefficient. So, expression is, the given expression is 12D. So, we will convert this algebraic expression to verbal expression. Again, ano ang involved operation dito, class? Diba? Supposedly, 12D is 12 times D. Okay, so, ang operation dito, class, involved is multiplication. Kasi times siya, no? Multiplication. So, what is the answer for multiplication? The answer for multiplication is product. So, you can say that the product of 12 and D. Pwede na. Okay, the product of 12 and D. Next number. Number 5. 8, 4. Number 5 is 8 to the power of 4. We read this one is as, diba? Ano ang exponent dito, class? The exponent is 4. Sorry. Ang kanyang exponent ay 4. So we say that dito, no, algebraic expression 8 to the power of 4. Pag verbal, 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 4. Pwede na siya, no? 8 to the power of 4. Alright, number 6. Ano ang number 6? 6 square. Yan. 6 square. Diba? 6 square. Okay, so 6 square. Lagyan mo na 6 square. 6 squared. Ayan. Alright, so 6 squared. 6 squared. So 6 squared is 6 to the power of 2. Or pwede rin 6 to the power of 2. So ano ibig sabihin ng 6 square? That is 6 times 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. Alright, next example. Number 7. 2n square plus 4. Okay, number 7 is 2n square plus 4. Diba? So how will you convert this algebraic expression to what? To verbal expression. So again, ano ang involved operation dito class? Ang involved operation dito class is addition. Diba? Plus yan. So addition. So ano yung answer ng addition? So sum. So you can say that the sum of the sum the sum of what? The sum of 2, diba? 2 times n square. The sum of 2n square and 4. Right? So, pwede na, no? The sum of 2 times n square and 4. Or pwede rin siguro, no, ganito. The sum of 2n square and 4. O, pwede na, no? Okay, number 8. Number 8. Ano ba ang number 8 class? A cube, B cube, no? A cube, B cube. Again, no? A cube, B cube. Ano ang operations between A cube and B cube? The operation is dot. No? That is, ibig sabihin ng dot, that is multiplication. So actually, this one is A cube times B cube. Diba? Kasi dot, ang ibig sabihin ng dot, that is times or multiplication. So ano ang involved operation dito class? Multiplication. So again, what is the answer for multiplication? Product. So you can say that the product of, pwede natin sabihin ng the product, no, the product of what? The product of A cube, di ba? A cube and B cube. B cube. Okay, the product of A cube and B cube. Okay, next number. Okay, so to x cube, how will you say this number 9? Sa number 9 natin class, diba? Number 9, saan namin? Diba? Anong involved operation sa 2x cube minus 3? So, ang operation is subtraction. Again, what is the answer for subtraction? Difference. Difference. So, you can say that the difference of, diba? The difference of 2x cube and 3. Alright? The difference of 2x cube and 3. Okay, 2x cube minus 3, no? Pwede dito siguro. 2x cube minus 3. You can say that the difference of, kasi nga minus yan, the difference of 2x cube and 3. Right? The difference of 2x cube and 3. So, napaka-importante niyan if you are taking engineering. And then, number 10. Ano ang number 10 class? That is 6 over 5, 6k cube over 5 or 6 over 5 cube, k cube. Number 10, 6k cube over 5. Okay, ano ibig sabihin class ng over dito? Ano ang operation involved dito? Ang over class, that is divide. So you can write this one, no? You can write this one as 6 divided by 6k cube divided by 5. So the operation involved dito class is division. Again, what is the answer for division? Quotient. So you can say that the quotient of the quotient of 6k cube and 5. Alright? So the quotient, given ng 6k cube over 5, kasi ang ibig sabihin ng over dito Ang mathematical operation dito class involved is division. Again, the answer for division is quotient. So you can say that the quotient of 6k cubed and 5. Okay, next. Maba man ito. Okay, number 11. How will you convert this algebraic expression to verbal expression? So ano ang operation involved dito class? That is multiplication. So the answer for multiplication is product. So ibig sabihin that is the product of 1/4 and b square. Okay? Number 11, no? 1/4 b square, that is actually 1/4 times b square. So since times yan, times ito, the answer for multiplication is the product. So you can say that the product of, diba? The product of 1/4 and b square. Alright. Yeah. Okay, number 7. Number 12. That is 7 and 5, no? Number 12. 7 and 5. So again, what is the operation dito class? Between 7 and that is 7, actually 7 times and 5. No? So since ano ito, multiplication, and the answer for multiplication is product. So you can say that the product of 7 and pwede na, no? The product of 7 and 5, or n to the power of 5. Okay, number 13. Meron pa ba? Number 13, 3x. 3x times 4. 3x plus 4. So, ang operation involved dito class is addition. Then the answer for addition is sum. So, you can say that the sum, no? The sum of 3x and 4. Okay, number 14, 2/3 k cube. Ano ang operation involved sa 2/3, between 2/3 and k cube? That is multiplication, di ba? Or 2/3 times k cube, that is multiplication. So the answer for multiplication is product. So you can say that the product of 2/3 and k5, k to the power of 5. Okay, the product of 2/3 and k to the power of 5. And then dito, how many terms there are? 2, no? 3b square and 2a cube. But this is an expression, algebraic expression. So we will convert this one to what? To verbal expression. Number 15. 3b square to a cube, no? Sorry. 3b square plus what? 2a cube. Okay. 2a cube. So you can convert this one to verbal expression. So again, the operation involved dito class is what? Is addition. So the answer for addition is sum. So you can say that the sum of, you can say, no, the sum of, pwede na, no, 3b square and 2a cube. Pwede na. The sum of 3b square and 2a cube. And then number 16. Ano ba ang number 16? 4, no? 4 times n plus n square, no? Sorry. N square plus 1. Paano natin sabihin yan? How will you convert that one to verbal expression? Given the algebraic expression. That is, ano ang operation dito class? No? Between 4. Kasi naka-quantity ito, no? Naka-quantity. So, between 4 and that is actually 4 times, di ba? Times n square plus 1. So, pwede natin sabihin, ano ang operation involved dito? The operation is of course, times or multiplication. The answer for multiplication is product. So you can say the product of, pwede natin sabihin, no? The product of 4 and n square plus 1. Pwede na. The product of 4 and n square plus 1. Okay? May iba pa ba? The product of 4 and the sum of n square. The product of 4 and the sum of n square and 1. Okay, so the product of 4 and n square plus 1. Okay, so thank you for watching.